Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to do this easy, simple, and anywhere wearable eyeshadow look. It's very basic and very simple, so if you're interested, just keep watching. Right, first I'm priming my eyelids with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, I believe. And I love this because it's very long lasting and it keeps my shadows from creasing. I'm just taking that and smoothing it out all over my lid and really blending it just on the lid and a little bit above that crease area. Like I said, it's really good for creasing. Right now I'm going into my Juvia's Place Nubian palette. It's a very neutral palette, which is why I love it, because this look I'm doing here is very everyday wearable. And I'm taking my Sigma E40 blending brush. I absolutely love this brush for blending out my crease shadows. Like it fits in the area so well, and it deposits the shadow very evenly throughout my eyelid. And it's the perfect blending brush I have yet to find, and I have so many of them just in case something happens to my baby. And I'm just using windshield wiper motions, just placing that shadow a little bit above my crease and also in the crease, and I'm just depositing that everywhere. Next, I'm going to take a MAC 242 brush. I think that's a MAC 242. No. It's a brush that I found in one of my Urban Decay palettes, and I'm taking the flat side, and now I'm just going to place that neutral color just all over the lid. And I'm kind of like cutting my crease with it, but not cutting my crease, because I'm going a little bit above my crease with the shadow. But you could just place it directly on the lid, because we're going to blend the shadows a little bit more together in a second here. And I'm just packing that color in there to make it very opaque and as noticeable as possible. Now I'm going back with that Sigma E40 brush, and I'm just blending those two colors in together. And I didn't take any more color. Oh, yes I did. I'm sorry. I took a little bit more of that brown shade and deposited it on the crease area just to blend those shadows together a little bit more. And I'm going back in with that neutral color, just cutting out my crease kinda. And now I'm taking just a shader brush, and I'm going to use that deep dark brown shade inside of that palette and just deepen up the outer V and blending those shadows together in really well. And this look is so simple and so easy. Like I said, it's everyday wearable work. It can be glammed, it can be glammed up, glammed down, whatever you want to wear it. Like, this is my go-to everyday shadow look. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in another video.
Time and time again I try. So when I turn into a savage boy, don't ask me why.